To add Apple Pay to Temu, start by opening the Temu app on your device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store. Once the app is open, navigate to the Profile section, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. In the Profile section, select the Payment Methods option. This will take you to a new page where you can view and manage your existing payment methods. Look for the Add Payment Method option and select it. You will be presented with a list of available payment methods, including Apple Pay. Select Apple Pay from the list. You will be prompted to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. After authenticating, you will be asked to add your card to Apple Pay. If you already have a card added to Apple Pay, it will be automatically linked to your Temu account. If not, you will need to add your card details manually. To add your card manually, select the Add Card option and follow the prompts to enter your card details. You will need to provide the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you have entered your card details, select the Add Card option to complete the process. Your card will be added to Apple Pay and linked to your Temu account. You can now use Apple Pay as a payment method when shopping on Temu. To confirm that Apple Pay has been successfully added, navigate back to the Payment Methods section in the Temu app. You should see Apple Pay listed as one of your available payment methods. You can now use Apple Pay to make purchases on Temu, providing a convenient and secure payment experience.